Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question in the topic of margin of error. Let's dive into it. A study surveyed 800 high school students to find out if they would participate in an after-school tutoring program. The results show that between 62% and 68% are interested. What is the margin of error? Okay. I got information here that is which we need the most, and yeah, since there's no midpoint given, we have to find it out ourselves, so we have to find the range between these two. How to find the range? The bigger number minus the smaller number. So 68 minus 62, that will give us 6, I believe. I'm still gonna check. 6%. That 6 is not cute. Sorry about that. Gonna live with that. And then we have to find the midpoint. I think the midpoint is similar to the mean, so maybe mean set it tells you something, or maybe you know how to solve the mean because midpoint is a bit confusing. So how to find out the midpoint is you have to add the data you got and divide it by the number of data you got. So 62 plus 68 divided by 2, because we only got 2 numbers given here. I hope that makes sense for you. And 6 our range, divided by 2, because since we divide by 2 on this side, we have to divide by 2 on this side as well. So 62 plus 68 is 130, and if we divide that by 2 we're gonna get 65, and here 3, so 65 is our midpoint, and 3% is our margin of error. Okay. Sorry about my handwriting, by the way. Not the best, but yeah, I hope you can read that. 65 midpoint means if you add 3, you will get 68, and if you take away 3, you will get 62. And if that's the case, your margin of error is correct. Since we have the correct tools here, or the numbers here, we're gonna go straight to the choices. Choice A says 65% with a margin of error of 6%. That is incorrect because 6% is our range and not our margin of error. B says 65% with a margin of error of 3%. That I feel pretty confident about that one. I hope you do too. But we're still gonna read C. Between 62% and 68% of all students are interested in the tutoring program. Okay, that is true, but it does not contain the margin of errors. That's what it makes us eliminate this choice. D says if another random sample of 800 students were surveyed, 65% would say they are interested. Nope, because it doesn't contain the margin of error. And the midpoint, actually the main thing to find out is the margin of error in this case, not the midpoint, but you cannot find out the margin of error if you don't have the midpoint. So yeah, so choice B is the answer to this question. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.